Welcome to Crescent Beach, Florida. Came down to look at a job site today. It's the end of April. It's about on the beach. It's about 78 degrees with about a 10-mile-an-hour breeze. It probably feels about 70, 75. They said you can get pretty much a sunburn in about 20 minutes today. That needed some repairs today, so I came down and we've been working on the house and getting up some estimates for them. This is the work that we did for them. We put in over the winter, we put in these chairs and this big party deck. Nicest party deck with the best view. Like I said, you can see about 9 miles, 7 miles, something like that way. That's where down at the end down there, there's the St. Augustine Pier. The beach is loaded today. It's just a normal Sunday, and it is literally just loaded. I'll kind of give you a view of the beach. But we did all of these, this walkover. We do all kinds of decks. Crescent Beach is beautiful. Matanzas at the other end down there, Matanzas Inlet. We're about right somewhere in the middle, right here. Again, like I said, all of this was done by our company this winter. ASAP General Contracting, 904-346-1266. Again, I'll walk down a little bit and get a better view down here. Really nice breeze. I like to go to the beach when there's a breeze. I was back up there working earlier. It was just very humid and no breeze. This dune seems to kill the breeze. Sand's starting to take it over. When this was put in over November, December, significantly deeper, but the sand is accumulating right now. The wind does pick up the sand and accumulates it and moves it around. This will give you an idea of what we had before. Before they had a walkway through the middle here, and all we did was get this permitted. Like I said, about 14 steps to go up to the platform. If I remember right, 41 steps to come down to the beach. So a lot of walking up and down. You definitely don't want to forget your anything. Again, I'll get you a good view of Crescent Beach right here. If you like our videos, feel free to click the like button, and hit the subscribe button. We do a lot of how-to videos. We kind of promote the videos that our different businesses we're affiliated with, the work that we do, comments from our customers. We do testimonials. We do some driving videos, touring videos, certain parts of the country. Entire platform in over the winter. I think the material cost alone cost us, that was in 2021, cost us about $21,000 just for material. Five truckloads of wood, 5 trips. Estimated about 100,000 pounds. We also changed out the client's handrails. They didn't like their handrails and wanted more protection for kids. They saved the steps, but they changed out the handrails right there, which is about 100 and something feet. Altogether, there's about 300 feet of improvements. Weather's perfect today. Like I said, it's probably about 85 degrees at this point. About 85 degrees, but with this breeze that you can probably hear through the video, probably feels 70, 75. Matter of fact, if I had my shirt off, I'd probably be a little chilled. This is a new addition we just put on. Now they can listen to music out here, or they can actually run a cooker if they want to cook a little bit. A decorative fire pit, like a fake fire pit, would be pretty cool out here also. But not a true fire pit. It'd have to be, like I said, decorative, where it kind of put off a light or a flame or whatever, but not the real deal. You wouldn't want to do that on this wood structure. Not that the wood structure would burn, but it's probably not a good habit long-term wise to get into. Thanks for watching our videos. Again, the company's name is ASAP General Contracting. 904-346-1266. 904-346-1266. We're in Crescent Beach today, working on a Sunday. You can believe that. Not my favorite day to work, but we had repairs that we needed to get done. As you can see, just mile after mile of pickup trucks, 4-wheel drives, ATVs. Again, just as far as you can see down the horizon. Thank you, and thank you for watching our videos.